Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit city photos in Lightroom. First, open your image and head to the Basic panel. Adjust the exposure to get a good overall brightness, then fine-tune the contrast for more punch. Don't forget to straighten any crooked lines using the Transform tool, especially for cityscapes. Recover details in bright skies and deep shadows with the highlights and shadows sliders. This foundational step sets the stage for a stunning urban shot. Now let's dive into color. Increase vibrance slightly to make colors richer without looking artificial. Then, check your white balance. You might want a cooler tone for a modern city feel or a warmer one for sunset shots. The HSL panel is your secret weapon for precise color control. You can adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of individual colors, like making blue skies more vibrant or red bricks stand out. Next, we'll refine the details. Apply sharpening to bring out the crisp edges of buildings and other urban textures. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much sharpening can introduce unwanted artifacts. If your photo has grain, especially in darker areas, use the noise reduction sliders to smooth it out. Finally, the dehaze slider is fantastic for cutting through any atmospheric haze, making your city scene look much clearer and more impactful. For the finishing touches, consider adding a subtle vignette to guide the viewer's eye towards the main subject. A slight darkening around the edges can really make your city pop. Then, do a final crop to perfect your composition and eliminate any distracting elements. Once you're happy, export your image in a high-quality format for sharing. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.